Welcome back. It has been 4 days since Bengaluru Central Crime Branch had raided a farmhouse where a rave party was being organized on Sunday. The cops have seized narcotic substances. 5 people have been arrested so far who reportedly organized this party and are said to be in possession of contraband drugs. According to the FIR details that have been accessed by Times Now, during the raids, the cops have seized 14.4 grams of MDMA pills, 1.16 grams of MDMA crystal, 6 grams of hydrocannabis, and 5 grams of cocaine, and a note of 500 rupees with a coating of cocaine, and several other drugs. About 101 people were present attending this party, including some very prominent names from the Telugu industry. Times Now has learned that 86 people from the party have now tested positive for a drug consumption. A notice has been served to those who have been tested positive and have been asked to appear for questioning. Deepak, now several people whose names were doing the rounds and making headlines have also come out to say that we were not even present in the city, let alone being present at this rave party. Bring us up to speed with the latest in terms of investigation.
Right now, of course, multiple people have already been arrested. 86 people out of the 100 odd whose samples were, sent for testing for usage of drugs. About 80 odd have come positive, and this includes actresses as well from, Andhra. Now, these actresses had come down to attend this party. This was a rave, the police say, on the guise of a birthday bash that was being held in the outskirts of Bengaluru. Over 100 people in attendance. Some luxury cars as well were at the spot. One of the cars was also bearing a sticker that is used by an MLA. The police later clarified that was being misused. So there was no MLA at that venue, however. As of now, the primary intention of the police, of course, would be to try and assess where these drugs came from, whether there is a bigger racket that is in play here. Notices have been sent out to the people who've tested positive for drug use, and after that they'll try to identify the peddlers involved, and more importantly, if they are in the practice of organizing such parties time and again, and especially if celebrities are also involved. So all of these aspects being looked into by the City Crime Branch at this point in time.
All right. Thank you, Deepak, for joining us with those details.